a deeply spiritual person, I am just so tired of everything that's going on in the mainstream. All I see in the mainstream narrative is confusion, destruction, and separation. If you're experiencing the same frustration, this message is for you. The old paradigm, which was built to be broken, it was built to be skewed in favor of those in power. That's what is collapsing. So if you're an empath that's feeling the weight of the world right now, the weight of the pain that our fellow man is going through because of the decisions that a select few are making, take heart that this is happening for a larger reason. This is happening so that the old paradigm can collapse. It's happening so that everyone around the world can go through mass awakenings and really realize the truth for what it is. And it's happening so that we can step into the new paradigm. Now, the new paradigm needs space to come in. It can't be built on top of the old paradigm. This is why there's so much death and destruction and rivalry and separation that's happening right now. It's so that the old paradigm can collapse and be put to bed so that you and I can build the new paradigm based on unity consciousness. So, what you can do is stay grounded in the knowing that your heaven on earth is coming. Heaven is not a place you go to, it's a frequency you tune into. So, anytime you see this narrative of confusion in the mainstream, ground yourself in the knowing that the best is yet to come, that all of this doom and gloom that's being projected by the mainstream is not true, and that the new paradigm is possible. And we're closer than ever to attaining complete unity consciousness. Hold this knowing, hold this frequency, and that's how you can help us transition into 5D seamlessly.